I'm Tejashree and my teammate Manisha. We both worked on the survey paper of genetic algorithms. Um, in the survey paper, we discussed about the introduction of genetic algorithms and their structure and their functionality using a flowchart. We also discussed about the two hybrid optimization algorithms. They are PSO-GA and CO-GA algorithms. Their time complexities, their claims, and their future works that needs to be done, and their algorithm. We discussed all this in our survey paper. First of all, we'll know what is genetic algorithm mean. Genetic algorithm is a powerful optimization algorithm which is inspired by the natural selection and evaluation process. It is developed by John Holland in 1960 and it is further developed by David. The basic idea of the genetic algorithm is the basic idea of the genetic algorithm is to generate an optimal solution for the problems whose space search is very huge, and it mimic the process of biological evaluation to find the optimal solutions to the complex problems. There are many applications for genetic algorithms in various fields. The fields include machine learning, scientific modeling, artificial intelligence, microbiology, etc.
So let's go through the flowchart of the genetic algorithm. So initially, we'll consider some of the individuals as an initial population in order to apply genetic algorithm on them. Then later, we'll check for the termination condition in the second step. So this termination condition is when the best possible solution is found or we have reached the optimized solution. So if the termination condition is met, we'll stop, else we'll go through the other steps. The next step is the selection process. We'll select those individuals which are having the highest fitness value. So basically, we'll call that as fitness evaluation, and then we'll further. The next step is the crossover. So from the selected individuals, we'll apply the crossover operator in order to generate an offspring. So on the offspring, then we'll apply mutation operator by doing some random changes. Then after mutation, we'll combine these generated offsprings to the initial population, and then later we'll iterate through all the steps until the best possible optimized solution is reached. So in the survey paper, we have also discussed a hybrid optimization algorithm called ACOGA, which is ant colony optimization combined with genetic algorithm. So in the ant colony optimization, the basically focuses on the mimicking the ants behavior. So how they'll find the optimal path while searching for the food. So let's take, there are some 10 ants. So out of those, initially two ants will go in search for the food by selecting two different routes. So then the rest of the ants have to follow these two ants. So they'll follow based on the density of the pheromone level that is released by the ants. So if the pheromone level is high, then the ants chooses that particular path. In this way, they'll find the shortest path. So in the same way, this ACO GA algorithm works, and this hybrid optimization algorithm will give an effective solution. So some of the applications of ACO are traveling salesperson, job scheduling and task assignment, cloud computing, resource allocation. Let's take an example of traveling salesperson with ACO GA. So in the traveling salesperson, let's take the individuals as the permutations of some cities, and will assign some pheromone to edges of the edges between those cities. So the output of this ACO algorithm is then fed to genetic algorithm for selection, crossover, mutation. In this way, we'll find the best possible solution by the combination of ant colony optimization and genetic algorithm.
In our survey paper, we also discussed another hybrid optimization technique, which is PSO-GA. PSO-GA is nothing but the particle swarm optimization with genetic algorithms. Here, we are using this hybrid optimization technique by opting the exploration capabilities of PSA and the efficient exploitation capabilities of GA. Here, the main idea of PSO algorithm, it is inspired by the social behavior of birds, where the birds travel where a group of birds follow a bird based on its distance from its destination. So there are many applications of PSA-GA. Some of them are network design, job scheduling, and feature selection in machine learning, etc. Let us understand the PSA-GA algorithm in detail by taking an example. Let us take a function x squared minus 6s plus 10. We need, the main objective of the function is to minimize this function. So here we'll apply this algorithm. First, the process is initialization process. Here we will initialize the population of particles, where we will assign random values of velocity and position values to each particle. Here particle represents the possible solution of x. Then after initializing the population of particles, then we'll update their velocity and position based on the PSI equations, which are shown in the slide. Uh, After updating those values, we'll calculate the fitness of the each particle. Then we will apply genetic algorithm. Here we'll perform selection. In the selection process, we'll pick the best fitness valued particles, and then we'll apply crossover and mutation to produce offsprings. And again we'll calculate the fitness for the newly generated offsprings, and we'll replace it with the existing population. Then we'll continue the same process until we get or the maximum number of iterations reached, or until a particular criteria is met. Then we'll return the optimal solution. Yeah. In conclusion, we can conclude that genetic algorithms have a wide range of applications in various fields. They are particularly used to solve complex problems. It is used to solve the problems where the normal algorithms cannot be solved, where the problems like NP-hard problems. The optimization algorithm, when combined with genetic algorithms, gives more efficient algorithm which can have a wide range of applications. Hybrid algorithms with GA offer more flexibility and adaptability, and it provides more characteristics to solve a desired optimization goals. Thank you.
Thank you.